back to MSN Construction YouTube channel. In today's video session we'll focus on Canva. Canva is often associated with graphic design, but it can be a useful tool for civil engineers as well. Here are some ways you can leverage Canva for your work. 1. Presentations and reports. Create professional project presentations for clients and stakeholders. Design eye-catching infographics to summarize complex engineering data. Develop project progress reports with visually appealing layouts. 2. Construction site communication. Design safety posters for construction sites. Create workflow diagrams and site layouts for easy understanding. Make instructional graphics for laborers and site workers. 3. Social media and marketing. Share project updates and engineering insights on LinkedIn or YouTube. Create YouTube thumbnails if you're making educational videos. Design flyers or brochures for consultancy services. 4. Educational content. Prepare lecture slides and study materials for students. Develop flowcharts for construction processes and methodologies. Create interactive PDFs with clickable elements for learning. Hope you got some sort of idea about Canva for civil engineering. We'll meet up very soon with another interesting session. Stay tuned with MSN Construction YouTube channel. Subscribe the channel for more future updates. Have a nice day.